Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can rank up fast in Dress to Impress. So if you're tired of losing fashion battles in DTI and wondering how everyone gets those exclusive items, here I'm going to show you how you can rank up and unlock those secret outfits in DTI. So quick recap, your rank increases based on stars, and stars come from runaway votes. So if you want to rank up fast, your goal is simple: get more votes every round. And this is the biggest mistake player makes, ignoring the themes like this one. For the theme that I currently on is Airport Couture. So always match the theme perfectly. Simple outfits that fit the theme often win over crazy outfits that don't. And next one, stick to clean colors and style. So here's a pro tip: clean color combos win every time. You can stick to 2 to 3 color max. Avoid clashing color unless the theme needs it. So less layers, cleaner looks mean more votes. And next one, you don't need Robux to rank up actually. So there are so many free items that look amazing if you style them right. You can focus on accessories, shoes, and find the right hairstyle. They make a huge difference. And this is important. For the next one, you need to vote fairly. When you vote often, players are more likely to vote back, so never skip voting. It hurts your chances. And next one, green your strategy for fast ranks. So if you want to rank up fast, you can join public servers, play multiple rounds, and don't leave early. And consistency beats everything, so you need to play more to rank up fast. An exclusive item unlock as you rank up, so the higher your rank, the more items you get. And some items are also seasonal, so stay active. So that's how you can rank up fast and unlock exclusive items in DTI. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!